In this video, we will discuss about the topic of projections of lines when it is inclined to one of the principal planes and parallel to the other. Okay, in this particular case, the line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. The orientations of the line have been discussed in the previous videos, okay, in which we had discussed the quadrant system. Okay, so how to draw these manually, that you can see from there. Okay, let us read the question. Line AB 60 mm long has its end B 20 mm from HP and 30 mm from VP. The whole line lies in the same quadrant. Draw the projections in all the four quadrants if it is inclined to HP at 32 degree and is parallel to VP. Length of line is given to us, it is 60 mm. This is the true length of the line. Okay, the distance from HP of end B. Okay, distance of HP from end B is 20 mm and from VP is 30 mm, right? The inclination to HP is 32 degree, right? So let us draw it in the AutoCAD. Let us move to AutoCAD. So let us draw the XY line. Let it be equal to 70 mm. Now increase the line weight, make it 0.50. Then it is given that the line, the end B of the line is 20 mm away from HP. So from here, let us draw a line of 20 mm. This is the projection line. And then 30 mm away from VP. So this is 30 mm. Line is inclined to HP at 32 degree. Okay, so line is inclined to HP at 32 degree. So let us just draw a line. The length of line is equal to 60 mm. So we will be drawing a line. So from here I have to measure it, right? So you can say like from 0, so this is 90, right? And this is 180. So I want to draw this angle as 32 degree. This angle should be 32 degree. So you have to evaluate this, or you can say it will be 180 minus 32. Okay. So 180 minus 32, it will be 148 degree. Right. So I'll be writing it as at the rate 60 less than 148. Right. So this will be a line which is inclined to HP at 32 degree and the length of line is equal to 60 mm. Now after this, let us turn on ortho mode, draw vertical projection line, and then from here let us draw the other projection, right? Increase the line weight for the projections. So these are the front views and top views. Make it 1 mm. Let us go to multi-line text command. Let us name these. Let us change the font style, make it Times New Roman. So this will be A dash. Name it as A dash. Control C, Control V. This will be B dash because it is the front view. Control V. This will be small a. This will be small b. Right. Control V. This is capital X for the reference line. And this is capital Y for the reference line. Now let us draw a horizontal line just to dimension the angular part. Go to linear dimensioning. This is equal to 20. Again, this is equal to 30. Let us move this B dash somewhat towards the top. Right. Now, to dimension the inclined part, I'll go to aligned dimensioning. So this is equal to 60. The true length is equal to 60. Let us dimension the angular part. The angle between these two lines is equal to 32 degree. Right. So this is the solution in the first quadrant. Let us write down. This is the solution in the first quadrant. Right. Now let us draw it in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant again, we'll just take the mirror image of the lower part. Okay, since the distances from HP and VP are same. So let us copy this figure and paste it over here towards the right. Then let us select this lower part, go to mirror command, take this as the first point of mirror line, take this as the second point of mirror line, erase source object, yes, click over here. So some of the dimensions are overlapping. Let us just move these dimensions. This can be moved on the right. Then this is 32. This also it is not visible. Let us move this over here. So this is 32 degree. Right. So this is the projection in the second quadrant. Let us name it as second quadrant. This is second quadrant. Okay. Now, when I want to draw it in the third quadrant, it will be the mirror image of the one we have drawn in the first quadrant, as we have done in the previous questions. So let us copy this. Go to copy command, take this as the base point, place it over here. It's exactly the mirror image. So you will select the whole figure once, select it, then go to mirror command, take this as the first point of mirror line, take this as the second point of mirror line, erase source object, yes. So this is the solution in the third quadrant. Okay, this is the solution in the third quadrant. Let us move it somewhere towards the top. Control C, Control V. Write down third quadrant. This is third. And then if I want to draw it in the second, in the fourth quadrant, sorry. So I'll copy the one we had drawn in the second quadrant. Copy command. take this as the base point, place it over here. Now mirror command, we'll apply mirror command to the whole of the figure. Select the figure, go to mirror command, take this as the first point of mirror line, take this as the second point of the mirror line, erase source object, yes. So this is the solution in the fourth quadrant. Let us move it towards the top. Then Control C, Control V, this is fourth quadrant. Right? So this is the solution to the question when your line of 60 mm was inclined to HP at 32 degree and distance from HP was 20 mm, distance from VP was 30 mm, right? So I suppose this is clear to you. Thank you very much.